Hey guys, welcome back to Math Apple 101. Today we're going to talk about fact family. Well, you might wonder what a fact family is. A fact family is actually the relationship between numbers. Well, you might wonder, what does that mean? Well, let's take a look at an example. In this example, it tells us that the numbers that are given are 1, 2, and 3. So, what relationship or what fact family can we make out of 1, 2, and 3? Well, let's see. We can do 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. So far, this was just addition and subtraction. But what about multiplication and division? Well, now let's take a look at this example. Well, it tells us that the numbers that are given are 7, 3, and 21. What fact families can we make out of these three numbers? Let's see. We can do 3 times 7 is 21. We can do 7 times 3 is 21. We can do 21 divided by 7, which is 3. We can do 21 divided by 3, which is 7. Have you realized that the product in the multiplication of this fact family is all the way over here by itself, but when it's dividing, it goes all the way to the front. That means this could help us when we're doing fact families. Well, we talked about all of the ones that have numbers, but what if we have two numbers and one variable? Well, let's see. What fact family can we come up with? We can do the same thing as we did. We could just do 5 plus n is equal to 100. N plus 5 is equivalent to 100. 100 minus 5 is equivalent to n. And 100 minus n is equivalent to 5. Well, but we have an extra step. But now we have to figure out what n is. So let's do that. So if we know, well, now we have to pick out which equation best matches what we can use to figure out what we need to find. Well, let's see. Would 5 plus n? No, that's not that useful. N plus 5? No. 100 minus 5? Yeah, I think that would work. So now we're going to do this equation. So let's do it. 100 minus 5 is equal to n. So let's do it. That means the value of n is equivalent to 95. So now we have figured out what n is. Yay!